Alright, so today we're not going to talk about building cars or car reveals for our Friday release. We're going to talk about our new GKR car condos, or as we like to call them, luxury personal garages. So let's see what one might look like for you. Alright, so everything behind me you see, there's a lot of space behind me, and you might be thinking, oh, those car condos are probably smaller than that, but everything behind me, where I stand right now, is the size of the car condo. So this is set up for our shop, where we build our custom cars. This is kind of the final assembly side, but we do have some fun areas over here and some other areas to kind of show you just, space-wise, being in it, what it looks like, and then hopefully that will give you some ideas for where you want to go with yours. So let's kind of take a look around. All right, so let's start off with width. So the width of these car condos, they're going to be 28 feet wide. 28 feet gets you a lot of width. So how we have it set up here in kind of the front half of our imitation car condo is just open space. So we've got one car there, that Wrangler EV project. We've got our 50 Chevy project. Why it's covered up, because we have not revealed this car yet. We don't want you guys to see it. But then you can see there's plenty of room in there for a third car. They're going to be tight, but if you're more just storing a collection and you can walk through them and you're not going to be pulling them in and out a whole lot, you can put 3 cars wide here very easily. But I also have a whole bunch of room on this wall over here for some, larger toolboxes. So width-wise, at 28 feet, you got plenty of room for just open space to store, some cars and some toolbox areas. When we get towards the back, you'll see we got a lift, but really we designed these to put 2 lifts with plenty of walking space in between them. So you can go 2 lifts wide, and if you buy the triple lifts from our Champion Auto Lift company that we're partnering with, you could fit 6 cars just in the front half and still have a whole back half of your car condo to do whatever you want. So let's go check out the back side of our car condo, imitation wise, what we've got. Alright, so as we head back to the back area, kind of in the middle here, we've got a humongous table. I don't know what the size is, but I think it's somewhere around, 14, 15 by 5, something like that. This is a huge table. It's kind of right here. It's kind of our catch-all. It's usually messy as all get out. But this is, a big table. We've still got plenty of walking room over here. So let's keep going to the back. When you get back here, so I originally designed this shop as more of my own car condo before I started the company of GKR, the custom cars. So that's why this area is back here. I kind of designed around this. I had a lift over here that I can kind of tinker with stuff, watch TV, on weeknights after the kids go to bed. But now it's my my shop and the final assembly side of GKR motor cars. So let's kind of go into the details here of what I've set up here, and maybe you can do as well, or maybe you can do it bigger. Alright, so now we're back to the more fun part of this shop and how we have it set up. It's still a workshop, but we left the couch here because this is kind of an area we'll kind of sit and have lunch sometimes, put some baseball games on during the day, whatever's on during the day. We watched the World Cup while working on cars here last year. But this is more of the hangout area that you'll see in a car condo out at the GKR campus. We've got a big sectional couch here. I've got a desk area over there. We've actually got a bar tap right here and refrigerator underneath the TV, whatever. But on the workshop side, we got the lift back here. We got a bunch of, industrial shelving over there, which you can and cannot use however you want to do it. If you want to use part of your space for some storage and then have the rest for fun, whatever you want to do. This is your car condo. But a lot of people, and the ones we've seen, put mezzanines here on the back. So, probably where I'm sitting about, 14, 15 feet off the back, they'll put a big mezzanine, and then they'll have a wet bar up there, a little more formal area, maybe a pool table and some bar chairs, with some high top tables that you can kind of overlook everything. And that's what a lot of people do at the back, because you have your bathroom on either side, which you get to choose as well. And you just put the mezzanine above that bathroom. So again, more endless options back here, and we kind of hope that you take advantage of all those, see what we can do. So at the beginning I said that this is your space. Well, it's actually bigger. It's 28 by 36 by 20. This shop is actually only 14 feet tall, so you get 6 more feet than what you see in this video. But I'm going to kick you out of mine because it's been a long day working on cars, shooting videos, and I'm going to have a beer, watch some baseball, go Royals, and go to our website, sign up for the wait list, gkrmotorcars.com, and we'll see you on there. Thanks. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Boom. Nailed it.